Ooh, even heavier still. We're just getting heavier all day. And I didn't even get diesel. Okay, well, we do have some kind of a store here, at least, if we're in dire straits. I think it's just up here on the right. We are going to have bugs plenty, methinks. Oh my. It's a gated community, apparently. Can I get through there? I think I'm too wide. It'd be very tight if I did get through here. I have a sneaky feeling I just damaged my AC. This is pretty though. Look at this, eh? Nice wood fencing. And so this is our host. And she's here with her dog. She's just walking me back to show me where to set up. I tell you, I would not want to shovel this driveway in the winter. It's crazy. But is it ever beautiful, eh? Wow. Oh, look at there. There's a tent spot. They got room for like four. There's a 3-car garage and then a 1-car garage and lots of vehicles. They're set up here. Wow, are they ever set up? And then there's a big RV back there. Okay. I guess we're following her. The fact that she had to drive out here tells me that we might be going quite a ways back in the bush. Wow, there's more buildings back here. It's quite the spread. Holy jumping. Oh man. Oh, I'm hitting branches. That's not good. I think I'm out in this field. She's gone way ahead of me. That's okay. Okay, let's have a look around. Question is, do we want any shade? And I don't think so. You know, I want my solar to do its job, basically. Especially the afternoon sun. This is the afternoon sun. So she went through there. Yeah, deer fly. Yikes. I see some people have gone up in here. You can see the tracks. I wish these deer fly would leave me alone though. Okay, I think that's a good spot right there. Looks pretty flat. I think so. Anywho, all right. Looks pretty good. Let's get set up. Let's get everything going. Get the generator out, and this is true boondocking. So far, every place I've gone to have given me power, at least power, if not power and water. But this time I'm on my own, which is good. I like that. The host of this place I'm at brought me a bunch of blueberries from their garden. A little bit of the rain just starting now. I'm tempted to take my rig and bring it over here and kind of nestle it in these trees over there. Because there's supposed to be big hailstorm coming. And the hailstorm can really damage my solar panels. I just don't need that right now. Okay, well, I got kind of nestled in here the best I could. These are not widowmakers. 60-mile-an-hour winds are not going to knock this down. At least I'm gambling on it. And it's coming from this way. So it might catch, the hail might catch the front end a little bit. Hopefully not the solar panels. It might catch the windows. Oh, these deer flies. Wow, holy crap. Okay, well, it seems to have blown over. It's hard to say. Check it out. No, I mean, it's still very windy, and it is raining a little bit, but the big hail that they were calling for, like the quarter-sized hail, which is pretty big, that didn't happen, and trees didn't blow down, etc. So, but better safe than sorry. I have some friends that are living in Ottawa. They got hit hard. Half the city, well, not half the city, about a quarter of the city is out of power. A couple of bands, friends, like I'm a musician, so I know a lot of other musicians. I know of one gig. I think it's the Roo, actually. They lost power. So, sorry guys. I mean, it kind of sucks, doesn't it? But hey, you know what? That's rock and roll. I know, I had to go there, right? Finally remembered to turn on my rear camera, something I don't do very often. I always seem to forget. Having auto start on the truck is great because you can do your keys separate and warm up your engine. It's pretty good. I always forget to turn these in too. I turn these out because that door will hit this if I don't. But the problem is sometimes I get on the road and I realize that this is out, and this actually will turn in to make this rig narrower. There, just like that. It tucks underneath. Okay, looks like Fenelon Falls it is. So that's where I'm gonna head, I think. I'm gonna charge up my camera too. It looks like it's dying. This really is a nice area though. It's close to everything. Like it's far enough up north that you're away from stuff, but it's close enough, far enough down south that you can find the odd, not much, but the odd crown land spots. It's better to go north if you're gonna boondock on crown land for free. North is better always in Ontario. And I got a Timmy's. Ooh, very happy. We're home. It's a real tight fit here. I gotta watch my mirrors on both sides. Very, very tight. Wow, like inches. Oh, okay, that was close. Oof, that was really close. It's gorgeous. Definitely farm country though. Look at all the deer flies are just hovering around the window. It's pretty wild. Maybe that other camper's here. There was supposed to be somebody coming in last night, but she said they didn't show up. But it could have been because of that storm too. Like, they were calling for such a big storm and we just missed it. Like, we were right in the middle of it, but we didn't. It was on both sides, but it didn't actually hit us, which is just wild. Okay, let's do the silly check. Make sure everything's off. Make sure all the doors are closed. Oh, wait, hang on. There's a little thing here, you gotta turn it around. And it locks these in. Okay, I'm going to definitely try a provincial park. So sometimes when you go to a provincial park, what happens is there's a gate to get in, but a lot of times the dump station's in front of the gate, so you can just kind of sneak in there. So that's all I got right now. There's a town here. I might, oh, I think it's Lindsay. No, I can't be. Lindsay doesn't have big, huge apartment complexes. I might go see if I can find a Timmy's, grab a coffee. I do make my own special coffee that I love, but I don't know what it is. Oh, she's talking. Where am I?
You're at 1 Commerce Road, Kawartha Lakes on...
Oh, Kawartha Lakes. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay, we're here. I'm looking. I'm trying to find the dump station if there is one. Okay, so we're screwed. There's a gate here. And I don't know if they have a dump station. I'm going to see if I can sneak on through though. See if they'll let me get in. Okay, trailer dumping and filling station. This way. This is where I'm going. Gotta line up though, because look at all these people. Like coming in here on a Sunday at noon, this was not my, it was not my brightest moment. But I kind of didn't think ahead, didn't consider it, but that's okay. I met a couple real nice guys here. They're from the area. They come here quite often. Apparently they like this park for some reason. I wasn't that impressed with it. I came through here about 30 years ago on a cycling trip. I used to be an avid cyclist. I tried to get in the Olympics in '76, the whole 9 yards. That didn't pan out, of course, or else I wouldn't be here. But I remember coming to this park for my holiday, just doing a tour all around Ontario. I did like 1,500 kilometers around, and I did it in like, I don't know, I think it was like a month or something. Woohoo! Okay. Now I gotta find somewhere to dump my garbage, and we're good to go. I mean, I could still go further, you know, like my garbage is only half full. But, I really felt like I was being rushed. Ooh, is this potable? Filling potable water. Yes! Okay, awesome. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna fill up my fresh water tank. So I drove around a bit, just checking the place out. I couldn't find a place to dump my garbage. But I mean, like I say, it's not that urgent right now. I gotta get my next destination. Hang on a sec. Wow. Wow. This is scary. This bridge can only hold exactly what I weigh. Oh boy. That's the scary part. Okay, it says I'm here. But I don't see anything. We are in some pretty thick forest here. Is this it on the right?
You have arrived.
You have arrived. Here it is. 122. Sweet Dove, it's called. Can I get in here? Whoa. I'm gonna check. This is a store of some kind. I don't know where they want me. I think I should just park over here and go in and ask them. Wow, this looks pretty awesome actually, except if this is where they want me, and I'm sure they do, then I have no way of having any Wi-Fi or solar. That's going to be rough, so I'll be running my generator a lot. I hope it's back here I stay and not out front. Look at this, isn't this cool? It's like a geodesic dome. Geodesic domes were designed by a guy named Buckminster Foley. Pretty cool, huh? I love this place. Looks awesome. Got a swimming pool and a barn. Little waterfall. Big barn with a workshop and a happy little tire swing. And this is our gracious host. Hello. Just admiring your property. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, this is where I do the maple syrup in here.
We have a ton of eggs, so
Okay, yeah.
unfortunately they would be wasted, but
Yeah.
I've never seen the process.
Oh, really?
No.
Yeah, well, I'll give you the tour. So obviously it doesn't happen this time of year. It's usually in about the second week of March.
The Sugar Shack. I love that.
Yeah.
There's a restaurant down in Florida called the Sugar
Oh,
Shack.
is there?
Yeah, it's in Zephyr Hills.
Because this is only a two-piece, there's no shower.
Oh, cans of tomato paste.
Fit perfectly in the...
It's got a motor, right? If it's got a motor, I'm interested.
Right. Oh, you'll get a kick out of it.
Oh my, little Cooper.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dual exhaust.
Yeah.
Did you chop this down?
No, it's
Is that the original height?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that is cool. That is cool.
So this is out of an Integra,
Okay.
a 99 Acura Integra.
So I just had a nice talk with Steve. He owns it. And whenever you go to a harvest host, if they're selling stuff, you should patronize it and spend 20 or 30 bucks. And, you know, so even though I won't probably use this, or if I do, it'll be very little. And this is maple syrup, real maple syrup, and eggs that you don't have to refrigerate because they're not washed. And they're from his chickens out back. Pretty cool, huh? And look at this nice little view of the house and everything. Isn't this great? Okay, it's going to be tough getting out of here. I don't think I can turn directly. I think I have to pull out of here, and then back out. I think it's the only way I can do this. Yeah, I just don't think I can turn. Let me go look at the back. Maybe I've got room to spin it around a bit. No way. Okay. Nice country road. Yeah, I like it here. 10 out of 10 on this one, for sure.